Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the flattest face and a reference edge, because accuracy comes from a consistent baseline. Once that reference is identified, use a hand plane or jointer to remove cupping until the edge registers along its length. You want the edges to meet without gaps. Make small, incremental passes and mark high spots with a pencil so you can track progress. Once done, clamp boards with straight cawls to prevent twisting, make sure to support ends, and double-check with a square. You now focus on creating a precise, straight edge that will glue reliably. If using a hand plane, work from one end to the other in long, overlapping strokes. If using a router sled, run it steadily and keep the fence true. Periodically stop and check the edge against a straight edge and use winding sticks to detect twist. Make conservative passes, removing a little at a time prevents overcutting. Once the edge is straight and square, dry clamp the boards and test the mating surfaces for continuous contact. You're at glue up. Spread a consistent bead of glue along the joint, then use a roller or brush to achieve even coverage. This ensures full bond. Bring the boards together and apply clamps with cawls, tightening alternately to keep pressure even and prevent bowing. Once clamped, check alignment and clean excess glue immediately. Let cure undisturbed for the recommended time. If the joint shows gaps after cure, you can plane the seam flush or cut out a thin strip and rejoin. That is the key troubleshooting approach.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.